Earn money with high-ticket affiliate marketing. Have you ever heard the story about a person just walking through the forest and suddenly finding the map of a hidden treasure? If you have not, then get ready to witness it live, because by clicking on this video, you have just found the map to get rich instantly. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video, we will give you the 10 best methods of affiliate marketing that will make your bank account blow up instantly. So quickly like this video, subscribe to our channel, and get ready to see your account go all green. So let us first understand, what are high-ticket affiliate programs? An affiliate program that offers high commissions on each sale is referred to as a high-ticket program. Affiliate programs for high-ticket items may have more limitations than regular programs. Typically, things are more expensive, and the business only wants trustworthy people to promote their products. Examining the commission rates of more common programs will help you understand high-ticket affiliate programs. The Amazon Associates program, for instance, the typical commission rate for this program is about 5%. The commission for many sales isn't particularly big when you consider that most items on the market aren't that expensive. High-ticket commission programs can offer hundreds of dollars in payouts for each sale. You must fulfill requirements set by the affiliate merchant in order to take part in the gated program. Now let us understand the best affiliate programs to get you rich. Number 10. BeRush. The affiliate program for the well-known digital marketing tool SEMrush is called BeRush. The collection of tools provides customers with many features for preparing content and SEO for their website. More than 7 million marketers use the platform, offering you the chance to convert a significant portion of your traffic. Users can access 3 different plans, each offering a different amount of functionality. Pro, $119.95 per month. Guru, $229.95 per month. Business, $449.95 per month. BeRush sticks to a single commission payment scheme. Each sale generates $200, while activating a new trial pays $10. You must already have a functioning website with an established audience to join the BeRush program. The company seeks out publishers with content on marketing, especially those focused on SEO, PPC, and content marketing. You can join the program by submitting an application on the BeRush website. The application will then be examined by SEMrush, who will decide if you are accepted. Number 9. Fiverr. The dynamic CPA model used by Fiverr pays a one-time fee for each sale, depending on the purchase service. The rewards range from $15 to $150. Sales on Fiverr Pro bring in $150. Freelance work in graphic design, web development, SEO, and animation might bring in $50 or $30 for every recommended client. There are additional Fiverr offerings you can advertise as well. The multiple types of commissions offered by Fiverr are Fiverr Business, Fiverr Affiliates, Fiverr Learn, Fiverr Workspace. Anyone can join the Fiverr affiliate program. You can immediately connect to the platform and begin marketing it after submitting the sign-up form. Number 8. Shopify. Shopify is one of the most well-known e-commerce platforms. It is most well-known for providing retailers with a capable, user-friendly solution for listing and selling their goods online. Following are Shopify's plans: Basic, $29 per month; Shopify, $79 a month; Advanced, $299 monthly. The Shopify Plus package is also available for large businesses and corporations. Shopify uses a CPA commission model, and it pays 200% of the customer's monthly installment. According to the plan's current pricing, this can cost anywhere between $58 and $598. You need to have an active website with a dedicated audience to sign up for the Shopify affiliate program. Whether it's blogs, movies, or online courses, this website must create its own original material. You also need to be familiar with Shopify and other e-commerce systems. You can apply through Shopify's website if you meet these requirements. To do this, you must create a Shopify ID. Number 7. ConvertKit. ConvertKit is a marketing tool that offers a wide range of functionality, such as sign-up forms, landing pages, and email autoresponders. ConvertKit offers the Creator and Creator Pro premium packages, depending on how many subscribers a person has. Different plans have different prices. The packages for one with 10,000 subscribers are $119 for the Creator package and $167 for the Creator Pro package. Every time a user signs up using your affiliate link, ConvertKit will pay you a recurring 30% commission. For example, if you opened a Creator Pro account with 10,000 members, you would receive $50, $10 each month from this sale. Anyone can join the affiliate program for ConvertKit. All you need to do is fill out a sign-up form and share some details. Number 6, LearnWorlds. LearnWorlds is a platform for online learning that provides users with all the tools they need to design and market their online courses. You are paid as an affiliate for each user you bring to the platform, and the plans are in 3 different categories. The Starter, the Pro Trainer, and Learning Center plans range from $29 per month to a whopping $299 per month. The affiliate program for high-ticket items gives recurring commissions. You receive 30% of each subscriber's monthly payment when you refer a sale. With LearnWorlds, you can get paid for the traffic you send throughout a 90-day cookie window. There are no limitations to the LearnWorlds affiliate program, and registration only takes a minute. Number 5, Bluehost. Another web hosting platform used by companies and individuals to build and maintain their websites is Bluehost. In addition to general hosting options, they also provide WordPress and WooCommerce specific plans. Due to the platform's ubiquity, affiliate marketing programs for individuals in the hosting area are among the most widely used. Each hosting order that Bluehost receives as a result of your affiliate link is paid $65 in full. Given that some of their plans have monthly fees of as little as $4.95, this is a fair payout. To sign up for the Bluehost affiliate program, there are no qualifications. To receive payments, new affiliates merely need to complete the sign-up form and enter their PayPal email address. Number 4, Leadpages. Leadpages is a platform for creating websites that are intended for generating leads and sales. The standard plan costs $49, whereas the Pro plan costs $99. Using a tiered commission system, Leadpages' affiliate program pays out to its members. Your rate of commission will increase as your sales increase. After crossing $3,000 in sales, your commission becomes a massive 50%. These rates are extremely high, especially given that reaching the 40% tier just requires 1 or 2 transactions. Additionally, because the commissions are recurring, you can quickly create a steady stream of passive income. Anyone who accepts the Leadpages terms and conditions is eligible to participate in the affiliate program. Applications are normally approved by Leadpages in 2 business days. Number 3, Active Campaigns. An online marketing tool called Active Campaign offers a number of capabilities such as SMS or text marketing, customer relationship management, automation, and email marketing. In Active Campaign, there are 4 plans. The cost of these plans depends on how many contacts the customer has in their account. The monthly plans for members with over 10,000 subscribers can cost anywhere between $150 to $650, displaying a variety of options for its users. The affiliate marketing campaign for high-ticket items pays ongoing commissions. You will receive 20% to 30% of your referrals' monthly payments as an affiliate. Naturally, the range of the programs in which you enroll will determine how much you can make. The average affiliate makes $1,350 for each referral, according to Active Campaign, making it one of the most profitable programs on the list. The Active Campaign affiliate program is open to everyone. As soon as you sign up, you may start promoting the product. Number 2, Teachable. Users of the e-learning platform Teachable can design online courses and real-time coaching sessions. The 3 plans offered by Teachable range from $39 and go up to $299 as well. Teachable pays affiliates on a recurring basis. These begin at 30% of the customer's payments and increase to 50% as you make additional conversions throughout the month. You can earn 40% if you refer 11 to 30 programs in a month. You will receive 50% of each referral if you sell more than 31. Your potential income can grow quickly with this setup. For example, top-tier affiliates would receive $149 per month for each business plan referral. To sign up with Teachable, you need to fill out a form and provide your basic details. And voila, you can be a part of the community within minutes. Now, ladies and gentlemen, before we get to the number 1 affiliate program on our list, make sure to drop a like on this video and subscribe for the latest updates on making money in your comfort. Done? Awesome. Now let us see. Number 1, HubSpot. HubSpot is a top CRM software for companies of all sizes. Numerous tools focused on lead generation, marketing automation, website creation, and analytics are available. Marketing, sales, customer service, CMS, and operations comprise HubSpot's 5 core product categories. These include different plans and pricing alternatives. For instance, the Marketing Hub platform's professional subscription with 2,000 connections costs $890 a month. For 5 paying users, the professional level of the Sales Hub platform costs $500. You have 2 payout choices to select from as a HubSpot affiliate. With the first, you receive recurring commissions of 15% on each monthly payment. The alternate choice is a flat rate payment, and your profit will be a mind-blowing 100% of the client's initial monthly payment. You must fill out an online application to join the HubSpot affiliate program. After reviewing your application, they will decide whether you are a good fit after a few days. You must have an internet presence and regularly create marketing-related content if you want to be certified. These are the 10 best high-ticket affiliate marketing programs that you can choose from to earn money in the simplest way. Which one of these programs will you try out? Let us know in the comments below. Also, always make sure to do your extensive research before investing your funds anywhere. Having said that, we wish you luck and we'll see you in our next video. Goodbye!